Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Freebell with William O'Neill India. My name is Rajashekar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst, part of MarketSmith India team. Before we go ahead into this podcast, the disclaimer for the podcast is registration granted by the SEBI, membership of the BASL, and certification from NISL in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. With the disclaimer, we'll continue this podcast. Let's look into Nifty's daily chart to understand how the market is placed in the current moment. It is very important to understand Nifty's price volume action to gauge the market, to have a short-term view on the market. If you look at the last 1 week of trading, Nifty had a good week last week. It closed in 4 trading sessions higher. Only on the Friday session, it closed in the negative territory. Throughout the week, it traded near its 21 DMA and clearly above its 50 DMA, which is a positive sign. And on Friday, the fall was more than 0.2%, but the volume was on the lower side compared to the Thursday session. Hence, it disqualified as a distribution day. So currently, the distribution day count is at 2, and market status is in confirm uptrend under pressure. And if the distribution day count further increases from here, and if it breaches its key moving averages 50 or 100 DMA, then we will change the market status to downgrade. On the upside, Nifty is around 300 points off highs from the all-time high it made previously in the month of April itself. And if the Nifty makes a new all-time high, that is above 22,776, then we will be changing the market status to confirmed uptrend. A confirmed uptrend means market is in a very good uptrend, as the name suggests, and will be very aggressive in terms of adding stocks to portfolio. And we will in the confirmed uptrend market status phase, you will see lots of stocks breaking out from the base patterns. And the probability of records being successful will also be higher when the market is in confirmed uptrend. And the probability starts to decrease when the market status is changed to under pressure, and it will be at the lowest. The probability will be at the lowest when the market status is in downtrend. As the ending season of March quarter is going on, most of the stocks have started to report their numbers. Some of the companies which have reported their numbers over the weekend are Maruthi Suzuki has come up with the numbers. The numbers are slightly less than the consensus. Revenue for the quarter increased 19.3% year-on-year basis to 38,000 crores of rupees. Profit has increased more than 47% to 3,800 crores of rupees. HCL Tech revenue has grown 0.2% year-on-year basis to 28,500 crores. Profit on the other side has seen a dip of 8.4% to 3,900 crores of rupees. ICICI Bank has come up with a good set of numbers. Net interest income for the quarter has increased 8% to 90,000 crores of rupees. Profit has seen a good growth of 17% to 10,000 crores of rupees. SBI Life net interest income has increased 26%, whereas the profit has grown only 4.4% to 810 crores of rupees. These are the few companies which have reported the numbers. Along with these companies, there are other companies have also come up with their numbers, but these are some of the major companies which have good weightage in the market have put here. There are other mid and small cap companies which came up with the results as well. So if you have, please watch full of your portfolio stocks. If the companies from your portfolio have reported the numbers, please be cautious because you might see volatile action during the market hours. And in the today's session, we are seeing stocks like Ultratech Cement, Canfin Homes, Microsoft, Tata Chemicals, KPIT, and some other companies reporting their numbers for the March quarter. Overnight, US market closed in the positive territory on Friday evening. Dow Jones with a minimal gain of 0.4%, S&P with a gain of more than 1%. Nasdaq has seen a highest growth gain of more than 2%. Asian markets are trading in the positive territory as we speak. Shanghai and Kospi are trading with a gain of 0.8%. Nikkei market is closed today. If City Nifty index is showing a positive opening for the current market, in the today's market, around 110, point higher opening is expected according to GIF Nifty. So we might see a positive. There are global cues are also on the positive side, and GIF Nifty is also on the positive side. So we might see a positive opening on the Nifty index for the week. And if the positive opening is sustained, then definitely we might see a new all-time high on the Nifty index as well in this week. For the chart of the day, we picked Global Health company. This company is trading in the ideal buy range currently. It is the only concern here is it's a stage four base pattern. According to us, the stage four is considered slightly a late stage base. Earnings are very good. Earnings, I think here it is not showing, but earnings are very good. Price to EPS, everything is very good for the stock. Number of funds have also shown improvement for the company. So overall, it is a very good on parameters wise, and only concern is at slightly late stage base. But if the volume picks up on the breakout, and if you're looking for fresh positions, you can start accumulating at smaller quantities and then try to pyramid as the stock moves higher. Thanks for joining today's people. Have a good 26.